So, despite several restrictions from US on Huawei, we have not seen any slowdown in Huawei's growth. Huawei has launched recently in-house manufactured processors named V811 for 4K projectors. Huawei has become a client of Tianbai, a Chinese projectors manufacturing firm. Tianbai is going to launch its 4K projectors globally with Huawei in-house manufactured chip V811. Huawei manufactures V811 in its own in-house Hisilicon division. Hisilicon is a Huawei chip design and manufacturing division. Huawei is also going to launch its Kirin A2 chip globally. Huawei used Kirin A series in its wearables and TWS. Huawei's Kirin A1 was the world's first dedicated wearable chip. Huawei has launched super-fast revolutionized car chargers with 88 watts. These sleek and stylish chargers can charge two devices simultaneously with intelligent power management algorithm. Huawei call it A+C/A designs mechanism. When both devices are connected, the charger intelligently adjusts the power output, either 88 watt plus 18 watt or 66 watt plus 30 watts, depends on connecting devices. That's it for today. Please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.